There was a beautiful jungle full of greenery and wildlife. In the jungle, there was a proud, mighty tree. Beside the tree, there was a small, weak plant. One day, the tree proudly said, "Oh, little plant, see how powerful I am. And you are only small, little plant." The plant did not reply, rather give a smile. After a few days, weather becomes very harsh. Strong wind blows across the jungle. The wind was so strong that big trees lose their existence. Mighty tree was standing against wind, but soon he felt it is losing its grip.
Oh my lord, save me!
He cried.
Save me!
With fear,
All my
"Oh
powers
my
are
Lord,
gone.
save me! All my power is gone." Soon he was flying in the wind and fall down far away from his place. His proud was gone, but the small plant regained its position after the wind. The moral of the story is pride had to fall.